And here we look at a fairly typical worked example based on forces and slopes. When I say fairly typical, probably in a past paper this would be split up into a few more individual parts. You don't often get kind of a few parts run together, you maybe get a couple, but the actual content of the question is quite similar. So we're being asked about the acceleration of the block on the slope. So basically this is a forces acceleration question, so it's going to involve Newton's second law, but we need to think about what the relevant forces are. And always with force questions, it is worthwhile sketching a wee diagram. And what we know is that there's a force going down the slope, and what we've introduced is the idea that that can be calculated as mg sine theta. Okay, you will need to memorise that. It's not given in the formula sheet. You need to know to multiply mg by the sine theta to get the component down the slope. And we know there's 4 newtons worth of friction, so I'll call that D for drag force, is 4 newtons. So the unbalanced force in this situation, and if we take down to be positive because the block is going to accelerate down the slope, and then in this question that makes sense. So Fun equals mg sine theta minus 4. We can now calculate, we've got the mass of the object is 2 kilograms. We know that theta is 30 degrees. And we've also got a distance of 3 meters that we've not used yet. Actually, I'm going to have to call that S. So now I can go ahead and work out the unbalanced force. 2 times 9.8 times sine 30, all take away 4, plug into your calculator, it gives you 5.8 newtons. Remember, it is important to show your substitutions to make sure you get the marks just in case of any careless mistakes. And what we're after, remember, was acceleration, so now we can use Fun equals ma, 5.8 equals 2 times a. I'll leave you to do the rearranging in a bit of space, but it should be straightforward enough. And that's how we do part A. And then for part B, calculate the speed of the block at the bottom of the slope. So we're being asked a final speed. A wee bit of revision here. We're told that the wooden block was placed on a slope. So kind of implication behind that is that u was 0. It wasn't thrown or anything like that. We've got A is 2.9. Remember, we're taking down the slope to be positive. And we have the S is 3 meters. So easiest one here, v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Remember, show your substitution. Calculator out. 17.4. So v, final answer, square root 17.4. Remember, don't just run that together. V squared equals 17.4 equals, and do the square root at that point. So you get your final answer for V is 4.17 meters per second.